What is up, everyone? Scotty Hop here, and today we're going to be applying Glassparency to the front windshield of the Corvette. Reach out to them on Instagram. I'll put their links to their accounts right here. And yeah, basically what it is, it's a windshield coating that you can apply. Works sort of like Rain-X, but I guess it works even better than that. So I'm excited to see how it works. We're only going to do the front windshield because I just got this little kit. And yeah, let's get this video started. Alright, this is what they sent me in the mail. I only had to pay for shipping, so shout out to Glassparency for sending me this. It's only going to be enough for my front windshield, but that's more than enough for me. But this is the kit that they sent me. Got like a two-step glass application. We got some maintenance formula. And then we have the cream in here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Cream cleaner, I think, to clean the windshield beforehand. And then it looks like a little Scotch-Brite, maybe a pad to put it on. And let's see what the instructions say. So the first thing we got to do is clean the glass with an alcohol-based cleaner and an aloe-free paper towel. I actually did beforehand when I cleaned my car. I scrubbed down the windshield. Now we have to saturate both the scrub pad and glass with clean water. Open cream cleanser packet and apply $half sized amount on the scrub pad. All right, let's do that. All right, this is going to be a before with the untreated windshield. I just have a little bucket of water. I'm not doing anything crazy like chocolate milk or anything like you see online, but this should be enough to see what happens when you dump the water onto the windshield when it's untreated. Hopefully I don't drop this. Ooh. All right, still left on the windshield, and now we're going to start applying it. All right, I got I think a $half sized amount. It's kind of a weird way to measure it, but we'll make it work. Feel this cleaner taking out the contaminants that got caked into the windshield. All right, I'm gonna finish this up real quick. When you put that cream cleanser on, it freaking sticks to it pretty well, so then you have to clean it off with water. And then the windshield should be pretty clean off of that. Feels a lot smoother already. So that scrub pad's a little abrasive, so pulled out a lot of the bug tar, maybe even some freaking gunk. But yeah, now I'm gonna clean this windshield and then move on to the next step. And no, I'm not showing off the LS3 because my wipers won't come up unless I have the freaking hood open. All right, step 3 is to apply step A to the windshield. Start on the driver's side and wipe towelette in a basket weave motion across the glass. And then let it cure for about 1 minute. We're applying step A. The glass is really smooth. There's a lot of rock chips in it, little micro ones, probably from the drive through West Virginia, where we got freaking plastered with rocks. But yeah, I gotta wipe this down quick. It dries really fast. Okay. Move to the other side. Alright, now we're doing step B. It says in a basket weave motion. I don't really know what that means, but figured if we just apply it, top of coat A will come out fine. This reacts to coat A. This is drying up pretty quick too. It says on the package you don't want it to be hotter than 85 out. And I think it's like freaking 75 or 80 out right now. Okay, the last few steps is take off the mask portion of it with a towel or cloth, and then we'll buff it with the microfiber towel. And for the finer details, we're going to use another microfiber. You can kind of see the streaks that you need to buff out. You guys see me in the reflection? Peace. it, but the water's still sticking to it. Okay, that works pretty crazy. There's like a couple micro drops on the windshield. But other than that, you can see up here it kind of stuck right there. But everywhere where we applied the coating, no water. See on the back, there's still water. So it works pretty good. Maybe less than 1% of the whole bucket I dumped is on the windshield right now. That's crazy. Alright you guys, today we applied the Glassparency to the front windshield. It'll be interesting to see when it starts raining. I'm hoping that I won't have to use my front windshield wipers, which I'm pretty sure I won't have to based off of that bucket test that we did. If you guys want some of this, I'll include the links below, including their Instagram at Glassparency. But yeah, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And also, I'll do a rain test on my Instagram. So if you guys want to follow my Instagram, I'll include it right here. You guys can follow me and I'll put it up on my story when it starts raining to see what will actually happen besides just the bucket test that we did. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.